Welcome back to Kiaris Investment, guys. I'm pumped. I'm excited. Happy that you guys are here. Now, I hope you guys make a lot of money last week because we were able to make some serious profit in terms of, Greenland Technologies and, of course, of Pioneer Power. And for sure, we're talking about Rivian as well and Tesla. But the biggest news, guys, hope you're keeping tuned to the stock market, is Rivian and Ford. Now, breaking news: Ford has decided to kill the Rivian deal in terms of Rivian making a Ford and a vehicle for them using the Rivian platform. Now, I believe this was supposed to be the Ford Lincoln, right? Or one off the Lincoln line. Now, the deal is completely dead. Ford has decided that they can make their own vehicle. Now, since that time, we have seen a little bit of shift in Rivian stock. We can see it's down about 6% right now. It has been down for the last 2 days, no surprise in that. But that news definitely changed the landscape for Rivian slightly. Now, also, that news is great news for Ford. So it's a win-win situation if you're an investor. Um, for sure, with $19.66, Ford have never been one of those company that you think is a profitable when it comes to the stock market. But if we look back in the last 3 months, we have seen that Ford has performed tremendously. Now, if we take a look back for the year, obviously back in 2020, we saw it in the low um, single digit. But as of 2021, we have seen that Ford came a long way from $8-9 per share. Now we're looking at $19, at one point crossing $20 per share. For the longest time, we have never seen Ford stock, if we go back in the last 3 years, have crossed numbers like this. So this is a tremendous opportunity. With the focus on EV, I believe that Ford is a great investment for you to take some shares now. Um, it's still an early game in terms of Rivian. Valuation is over the top, but at $120 per share still. If you guys remember, I told you guys um, when Rivian was $96 per share, and the day after IPO, I says, listen, $100 per share was still a lot for me. However, I was trading Rivian in the short term, meaning that I do day trade on it in the aftermarket, pre-market, and in the regular hours. I always close my positions before the next trading day because the price for me was too volatile, right? I've been proven right. We saw at 178, it came back down to as low as 118. So definitely I was absolutely right. Now, in terms of Ford, um, if you're going in my opinion, I should say, I still think Ford is a great opportunity. No, I have been holding Ford since 2020. No, I've held them in 2016 for a little bit. And then I was out. But I've been holding them since 2020, and I'm not selling Ford stocks. Worst scenarios, I will just keep adding more. But for the price that I got in 2020, it's a no-brainer for me to sell at this point. And also as well, guys, keep in mind that Ford actually pays dividends, so it's a small dividend on like 2.1% yield, but still it's something, right? If you're holding a stock with a potential and it's paying a somewhat dividend, then I'll take it any day of the week. Now, in terms of Rivian, guys, keep an eye on the price. We have seen in the last 3-4 days, the price has changed like so much. A lot of people are down big. But again, if you're in the like 150, 160 per share, then I would suggest you think about holding possibly longer for the price to return. Or you can buy more shares at a lower price, and then the price will lower your average. And as the share price raises, you can get rid of the new shares that you purchase. But again, like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys are getting on the action with Ford or if you guys are staying on the sidelines. But as usual, guys, like, share, subscribe, and protect your capital. Let's have some conversation going. This is what we're doing this week. Again, I only trade when I'm on the market, and I only make videos while I'm trading. So until next time.